Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that uh, on your market coins app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this photo here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings. Then you come to next CPU. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on push notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to event permissions here, just clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone here. That's mean here event permissions notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.